back to the beautiful world of Artistic Bake. This is me, Aarti Gupta here, back again with a most demanded recipe on my Instagram channel, that is a perfect chocolate sponge recipe. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So we require flour, best quality cocoa powder, sugar powder, condensed milk, baking powder, baking soda, flavorless refined oil and some milk, vanilla essence, cake tin, mixing bowl, whisk, spatula and a pastry brush, cake tin lined with a parchment paper and a sieve. Measurement to the ingredients will be listed down in the description box below. So let's get started. So we will be baking our cake in a pressure cooker. So let's preheat our pressure cooker first. So before preheating the cooker, let me tell you that I have removed the whistle and also the gasket. Okay. So now close your cooker and keep it for preheating on a high heat for 5 minutes. So we will start by greasing our pan. We will apply some oil on the sides. So we are using parchment paper. If you are using butter paper, then you have to apply oil on the butter paper as well. So first we will add condensed milk. So now we will add sugar, oil. So we will mix our wet ingredients. Mix until well incorporated. Time to sieve in our dry ingredients. So we will take flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda. Sieve everything. So once you have sieved your dry ingredients, start mixing it. Gradually keep adding your milk. And keep mixing the batter. My final portion of milk is inside the bowl, and now we will mix it completely until a smooth batter is formed. So here you can see our batter is ready. Now we will scrape the batter from the sides and you can see the consistency of the batter. If you feel your batter is too thick, you can adjust the amount by adding some amount of milk to it. Feel free to add extra amount of milk. So now we will pour this in a pan. So once you have poured your batter inside the pan, don't forget to tap your pan from the bottom to release the excess bubble which is not required. 2-3 taps is more than enough. So now my cooker is preheated on high flame. So I will reduce the flame to medium and I will place a ring inside the pan and I will place my cake tin inside and I will close the lid. So now I will bake this on high flame for 5 minutes and after that I will reduce the flame to low and we will bake it for at least of 20 to 25 minutes until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. It's been 30 minutes. Time to check our cake. Here you can see the toothpick has came out clean. So let's take it out. So before demolding, we will allow it to cool down for at least of 10 minutes, and after that we will demold it. Let's do the demolding. So first we will release it from the side. So we will demold it now. So you can see. So now we will allow it to cool down for at least half an hour, and then we can proceed further. So let's remove the butter paper. So this is a parchment paper that I have used. You can see the softness of the cake, a perfect sponge. You can see the perfect softness. Have a closer look. Let's have a closer look to the sponge texture. So here you can see the beautiful crumbs of the cake and the perfect softness to it. A perfect base for your birthday cake. So now you have a perfect recipe for a chocolate sponge cake which makes a perfect birthday cake. Do make it and let me know in the comment section how did it turn out, and don't forget to tag us on our Instagram page. Link to the Instagram page will be given down in the description box below. Do like, share and comment on our video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye bye.